Good morning, Doc. Good morning, classmates. So, this is my insights on Emmanuel Levinas' moral philosophy. So, how does substitution shape my management ethics? So, my management ethics is grounded in substitution, meaning I accept personal responsibility for others' well being in my decisions before considering efficiency or authority. So why do I see ethical responsibility as prior to roles and policies in management? So following Levinas' philosophy, I understand ethics as an anarchy arising before organizational roles, which requires me to act morally even when policies are absent or insufficient. So why do I accept responsibility for others beyond formal job descriptions? My management ethics reflects Libina's view that responsibility for others is unlimited and does not end at contractual or institutional boundaries. How Libina's influence my view of managerial authority and autonomy. So I see it as a managerial authority, not only as autonomy or control, but of course, it should be ethically bound to others before exercising power or discretion. So, how does Levinas' book, no, Otherwise Than Being, guide my ethical decision making as manager or leader? So, my decisions are guided by attentiveness to human vulnerability rather than purely rational calculation or performance outcomes. So, in line with Levinas' ethics of responsibility, that's how I see things on my surroundings, on my environment. Overall, my management ethics is inspired by Levinas' Otherwise Than Being, affirms that true ethical leadership begins with unconditional responsibility for others before authority, roles, or self interest. That's all, and thank you.